What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the OnePlus 6. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the flashlight on and off, which is the light right back here, for using it for your everyday general purpose uses. And so if you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please go ahead and share it with them. So the way to access that light is very simple. We can, even from the lock screen, we can go ahead and slide down and we get this little shortcut menu. And from here, we will see that right up here is a flashlight. Mine's demonstrated. It's labeled as flashlight as well. And if for whatever reason, if you guys don't have it here on the first page, swipe over and see if you don't have it here on the second page, if it has been moved. And the way to turn that on, all you got to do is just hit that button and it turns on. You should be able to hit the power button on the device and turn the screen off. The light should still stay on. You should be able to access that screen, the pull down screen, on almost any app or anything. You should always be able to slide down and get to this screen. This is the little miniature version. If you wanted to expand it, slide it down one more time, and just like that, that flashlight icon is there, and you just deselect it to turn it off. So that's how to turn the flashlight on and off on the OnePlus 6. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. And if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the OnePlus 6, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.